the Python class. So the last is file input and output, and we have 9 sections. So what it does is, oops, it's loading. Okay. So what if you want to read information from a file on the computer, or you want to write that information to another file? So this is for the read and write command. Um, the process is called file IO. So the IO is input output, and Python has built-in functions to do this. So first we have to just click and save and submit, and check out the output.txt tab right here to see the results. So this is the code which generates the list of squares of the numbers 1 to 10. And then so it opens the file output.txt, and then the command is to write. And we are going to write each item from the my underscore list, and the next is to close the file. So submit, and this is the result. So from numbers 1 to 10, these are the squares. So the square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, so on and so forth. Next. So the open function, which is the first one that we saw earlier, is of course it opens the file in write mode, and it prepares the Python to send data into the file. So create a variable my underscore file and set it equal to open function on the file earlier, which is output.txt, and in this case we're going to pass the r plus this second argument, which means this is a read and write option. So we can open the contents, or we can also write new contents to that file. So submit. Okay, so next is writing. So we do that by using, so again, my list to get the value. This is the value that we're looking for, the square of each number from 1 to 10. Then we're going to use the my file write to each value to output text. Now we have to make sure to call them, the items here as string, so that, and the iterating data, so that dot write will accept it, and there has to be a new line. So after each element, so to do that, to make sure that each element is placed in each line and not in a straight line, in just one line, we add this one, the \n, and then we have to use my file underscore close to close the file when we're done writing. So just click submit, and this is the result. So again, each number, each item, each element is written on the file one line at a time. So next is reading. So we have to declare a variable my file and set it equal to the file object, so output.txt. And then this is no longer r plus, because this isn't read and write, but rather just read. The next is to print the my file, and then use the command here .read, and then close the file. Okay, so this is the content. Again, the square, since we're done writing, so now we're just viewing the contents of the output.txt file. So next is, what if we want to read from a file line by line? What if we want to read from a file line by line rather than pulling the entire file in at once? So we have a function in Python called readLine that does exactly just that. So if we're going to open file and call the readLine on the file object, we'll get the first line of the file, and subsequent calls will return successive lines. So if we're using, like here, a my file read lines function, then it should just give us the first 3 lines of the file that we're opening, and again make sure to close the file right after. So submit, and oops, Oh, okay. Because, huh, wait, what is happening? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Huh, it's not opening. I wonder why. Wait, what's happening? So we open the file and the mode is just on. Okay. No such file or directory called text.txt. Huh. Well, that is weird. Wait, so I think maybe what if we try to write the content first so that it will read it, because it's saying that there is no, but I can see it here. So what if we try to open it first and try to write content? I don't know. Let's try R plus. And well, I don't have a list, so I'm just gonna say, wait, how did we write the ones earlier? My underscore file, because the other one earlier is writing contents using a list, but for now I don't have a list. So let's just say um string. Oh yeah, I can't do that. Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, wait. Let's just try to open and copy these. Just copy and wait. First line and the second line, because it's not working. It's telling me that there's no such file as and then let's try to maybe close it first and then try to open it again. So let's try this one. And nope. Wait, it has to refresh the page. Let's see. Let's try to refresh. Oh wow. I wonder why the previous code isn't working now. I mean, it was working before. Huh. Let's see. It cannot open because there's no such file. What? But there is one. Wait. Wait, what if we do write file? Hmm. This is. Wait. I'll just use the original. It's not doing it. It's not opening the file. That's my concern. Hmm. I just opened it. And you read it. This is the file. Why is it not working? It's text.txt. Wait, they have to refresh the page again. Oh no, I'm reaching the 15 minutes limit, I think. Huh. Let's see. Come on. Submit. And it's still not working. You know what? I have to close the screen sharing first. Figure this out, then do the second part of the video. Okay?